Just got your new Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro? Let's get it set up. In this video, we'll walk you through pairing it with your phone step by step. Download the Huawei Health app from the App Gallery or App Store and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Press and hold the side button until the Huawei logo appears. The watch will boot up and display a pairing screen. Launch the app and sign in with your Huawei ID or create one if needed. Grant necessary permissions for location and Bluetooth access. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom. Select Add Device, and the app will start searching for nearby devices. Once your Watch Fit 4 Pro appears, tap on it. A pairing request will be sent to your watch. Confirm it on both your phone and watch. Wait a few seconds while the devices connect. Once paired, the app will automatically begin syncing data from your watch. It will also check for any available firmware updates and install them if needed. This ensures your Watch D2 is up to date and ready to use. The process only takes a few minutes to complete. And that's it! Your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro is now paired and ready to go. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching!